Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how you can create your own trading signal by using simply crypto screener. Before getting started, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications for my future videos. Let's get started now. Before First of all, you have to open trading view and then come to this screener section. Before starting, just click it here and convert it to manual refresh. Come to the overview section. As you can see, you will find lots of matches over here. It's 20,455 total pairs of coins in this list. You can see here last price, change in coin price. If you click here, you will see it get dumped by 1216%, and then again you can see how much it has increased in last 24 hours. Same as this, you can see changes in high and low. You can check it by volume as well. Next is performance section. You can see lots of coins here. You can search it by performance, which coin has performed in 24 hours. Come to the next section, oscillators. Here you can search coins by oscillator rating. This coin is on neutral. Neutral means, like, if you click on it, you can see it has a bit by pressure now. Even in the chart, if you look at it, it's facing a little bit of resistance over here, but if it break above this resistance, then next level will be 4311 satoshis. Let's get back. Okay, in this section you can see trending, which coins are trending right now, and you can see it's a strong buy signal. You can long or short by just selecting the coins by their signals. In this coin, it's a strong buy signal, and then this is neutral, and this is selling pressure. It's a simple moving average. It's depend on the simple moving average, and then same like this. And then if you come to this point, you can change. If you come to this column, you can add different indicators like MACD and then RSI. Let me show you RSI. This one you can click on it, and then you can find those coins which is below 30 RSI. Yeah, it get filtered, and you can see here those are all coins are less than 30 RSI. That's when it's oversold. And then in this column you can check top gainers, top losers, all-time high, all-time low, and then which coins are overbought and which coins are oversold. You can click on it, and then it will filter the coins. You can check any of these, like ADA, BTC. It's already been overbought. So there is lots of futures, you can look into it. And then you can, like this one, when those coins which you want to know which coins has increased by 2% or 5%. Like, if I want to select any coin, I always look for that coin which has been increased by 2% or 3%. And then you can check it by hourly candle or 1 week candle. In hourly, we will see in 1 hour which coin has been increased by, like, more than above 2%. and then this will filter those coins. So these are the coins has been increased by 2% in 1 hour, and you can see it's a buy signal here, buy. So like this you can find lots of other coins, and you can open a trade for your spot or future. That's it for now. If you like my video, please leave your comment in comment section. Bye bye.